Saturday the 1st of February 2025. I'm here in Gloucester outside the ex-prison where I'm managing the Empire live roleplay stall. But we're here for What's Your Game? The Kit Fair that's held every year, and this is the first year it's been held in the prison. Before that it was held in the Priory. So I'm going to try and give you a run through and try not to get lost, but it is a labyrinth in there. It is so complex, it is so difficult. Right, and you're looking at me and this is not the prison. You need to look that way. So if I stick this up, if you turn you round to 360, hopefully you'll get not too seasick, and I shall give you a guided tour around Her Majesty's ex-prison in Gloucester for What's Your Game? So, we'll start with the not very exciting bit. Here we are at reception, the reception desk. Yeah, they're just ignoring me, it's fine. And then, I'm hoping this is the right way to go. As I said, we've got irregular props in here. Oh, you only... So we've got this in here, and then I'm going to have to... Oh no, I'll go this way. Right, fine. We go around here. I'll go through here. You see what I mean? It's already a labyrinth. It took me a while to work out how to get out the building to get into it again. So it says more stalls. Oh no, that way we've been. So it's this way. There we've got stalls absolutely everywhere. There's the jerkies from Cowley's. They're very well known. Thank you. And then we go here. So this is the modern building in the prison. And obviously in here we've got some catering, which is very popular because it's quite cold because it's February. And then we have a load of stands down here. And this is the first time I've been in here, so we've just got a lot going on. We've got some people in costume, some not in costume. I'm just going to go down here. Oh, we can say hi to we'll say hi to my mates on the CP stand. You want to... Hey, how's it going? I'm running the 360. Pop in, yeah. You can go anywhere. Yeah, go look. Yeah, oh, he's got an Empire sticker on. If you're looking down that way, you'll see his Empire sticker. I don't know how he got hold of that.
You stuck it on my head.
Oh, fair enough. How's it going?
Living the dream. Very good.
Excellent. Yeah, we're over there somewhere.
You're in a room? Yeah.
Somewhere. No, where's Seawick? Right, and then we'll come back down here. And we'll carry on following the signs to say more stalls this way. Oh, yeah, hey up. I'm just doing a 360. Yeah, that's it. Doesn't matter what angle you do that from. I don't think there's anything down there, so I think we're going out of this. We're going outside, it looks like. So we've left that modern building, and you can tell from, I mean, we've got some outside stands here, and you can tell that this is definitely a prison if you look round now, because obviously you've got the massive barbed wire fences, you've got the old buildings here, which we're going to go into in a minute. That is the vehicle entrance and exit. And then yeah, so we're just going to, what have we got out here? I don't know, we've got some stuff out here. So let's just go into the really cool building. This is the really cool building. We've got to go past all these giant fences and stuff, and gates. And they've got. Oh, hang about. There's another building over that way. It looks like. So I'm still going to go this way. Actually, I mean, I might now miss half the stands. I don't know. But the advantage of this way. Let's just check. We're still running. Yeah, we're still running. Cool. The advantage of this way. Hello, Claire. So Claire is the, what's your title? Game manager?
Game director.
Yeah, for Profound Decisions. We've just been to the CP stand, so, you know. So, yeah, you can wave wherever you like. It's 360, so it's not. And then, so we're going, so this is the cool bit of the prison. And then we've got Craftigan in here. Are they in here on their own? Yes, we've got, there's other stands over there. My God, just carries on. We'll carry on going out. Right, and this is, I mean, like, let's go and have a look at the, I think is this the A wing? Do I know what I'm talking about? A and B wing. I think this is the A and B wing. Let's go and have a look at, let's go into the A wing. Hello! And they've got mead stalls, you know, you've got mead stalls. Right, and you can see that it is a cool, look at this. Look how cool it is for prison. It's cold though. Steampunks of Gloucester. Are we allowed to go upstairs? I think we're going to go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. It's a 360, you can see we go. Hopefully you're not getting too seasick on this. And you can see the cells here, which I don't think they're using for accessibility reasons today. You can see the fences, so I can't go anywhere. Oh no, there are some people going that way. Are there stools down there? Oh, we can go that way. Fine.
So go on the left, we'll keep going, and then there's
okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, that'll take me.
Good charity stuff is
that'll be going into B wing then, won't it? I think. Looks like I know what I'm talking about here. So, well, we didn't look at the stalls down there, but hey ho. No, you can come along. Oh, hang on, we've got a room here. We've got a room going on up here. You see what I mean though, it's such a labyrinth. I've missed half the stalls out. Oh, and we've got Dreamlands. Games. Oh, I've got their game. This game is a good game. If you're looking downwards, this is a game I bought at LARPCon. It was a good game. Yes, right, let's just make you all see so you can go out here again. We got going on, right, fine. We can go out the other entrance. Here we go. As I said earlier, you've got a whole mixture of people in like roleplay costume, in normal clothes, or just like dressed alternatively, because let's face it, a lot of us live role players are quite alternative. So we're currently upstairs, so we've now gone across from A wing to B wing, I think. But I can go downstairs again, so that's good. So I have no idea what's up here. We'll go to the end. It looks like I'm gonna... Obviously got all the little cells behind, which we're not allowed in. I've been in one last time I was here for safety reasons. We'll just go to the end and then turn around. Some nice banners. What doesn't kill you gives you XP. And that sounds like a good banner. And then we come back over this way. I'll have to see if any of the cells are open and see if we can just sneak in one. But they're not very exciting, to be fair. They're little cells, they're little rooms. Yeah, we are in B-Wing. Right, fine. So let's go downstairs. Come out of B-Wing. They're all going that way with more stalls. I'm getting stalled out already, and I don't think you're going to want to watch this video for too long. So we're back here again, so you see we've done a U-wing because here's our Mead guy again. So we're going to come out of this one, and we're going to go into C-wing. So you can see here we've got, you can see big vehicle gates at the bottom here that are shut at the top and bottom of this road here. And then we've got this other building here. You've got a walkway over the top. I don't even know if I can get to that walkway. We'll go in here. How are we doing? Oh, we're 7 minutes. Oh, God. Right, and then obviously we've got Fantasy Forest here on my left. You can wave if you like. That's Yantine. She's the volunteers manager. So if you want to crew Fantasy Forest, you're probably too late by the time you watch this video. But hey-ho. Right, anyway, so we go down here. And here's my Empire stand. And then we got Caroline and Aaron and Lat. And then we got Barley Dog. And you can probably see from that angle, you might be able to see our tricks down there. So, yes, so let's carry on. Oh, we've got LARP in opposite us, who we know very well because they come to Empire. So, and then we carry on. And then we come down this room. And I think we'll finish the tour there because I haven't covered even probably half of the rooms, but you kind of get the idea. So that's What's Your Game, 1st of February 2025 in Gloucester. Thank you very much. Did it stop? Is it still going? So it's Saturday the 1st of March. I'm starting that again. That is so wrong.